Ladies and gentlemen, big shout out to a store called State Line Liquor.
Oh my god.
They only had 6 left.
Wow.
They only had 6 in stock. And it's the most overpriced TIMISOARANA you're ever gonna find.
Oh,
I
yeah?
got 30 Budweiser for cheaper than 6 TIMISOARANA. But I had to do it because today we're going to see our Romanian friend who lives in New Jersey.
Awesome.
So we got a few more hours to drive. We're gonna give you guys a bit of an update on our channel because probably a lot of Romanian viewers who haven't seen us in a while. But we got the TIMISOARANA. It's gonna be a MICI party.
And we are in New Jersey. Woohoo! What do you know about New Jersey, Steve?
Just sure.
You mean the show?
Yeah.
Alright, I know Atlantic City is pretty famous. What else?
That's it.
That's it, and it's near New York.
That's it.
Yeah.
Wow. Talk about decorations. Just lighting up the side of the bus shining over here. Wow. Wow.
Oh my goodness. Nice. Where did you get that? Oh,
Maryland,
yeah.
Big sign says State Liquor. Last stop before Delaware. I said, okay, we check it out.
Nice.
TIMISOARANA.
Because it's hard to find, like only in New York or Chicago where the Romanian communities are. But awesome.
Norok, 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 norok.
So good.
Peanut.
Blueberry.
Blueberry.
Mm.
Yummy. Norok.
This is homemade zacusca. Straight from Romania. Imported.
So good. Right? So good. Yeah.
So good. All right, so last night we had the cascaval and the branza, not to mention the zacusca you saw in the Affinata. Beautiful dinner last night, although one complaint. We are here in New Jersey and I've been promised there's gonna be lights all over the sky, drones everywhere and UFOs. We saw exactly 0 action in the sky. Now, we want to start by thanking our friends Adrian and Bianca. You guys first saw them on our channel in Romania.
Yeah.
These are 2 Romanian people. We became friends 2 years ago, and we're in their house now, which is very nice for us because I want to reintroduce our channel to a lot of people. Because Ivana and I have not been posting too many videos for the past 6 months because we now have a little daughter. For sure, the greatest thing I've done in my life. Ivana did most of the work, to be fair. But we now have this little daughter. And so you might be wondering, how are we going to travel with newborn? Introducing the bus. So we bought a 26-foot shuttle bus and we converted it into a tiny apartment on wheels. We have been learning for the past month how to live in the bus with baby, which is another reason we're so thankful to be here. Big house, relaxing, and sort of being back in normal life because living in the bus with newborn has a pretty steep learning curve. Now the other reason we're so glad to be here today, look at the size of the TV. Ay, caramba. Come on. So, naturally, we are enjoying some TIMISOARANA and we are watching your Dallas Cowboys. And hopefully by the end of the game, I can convince Adrian to be a Dallas Cowboys fan. Although, to be fair, he likes football, the real football, soccer, not the NFL as much. So I'm convincing him this is also football. And so, at the end of the game, we're gonna make some MICI. Stay tuned for that. And hopefully tonight we can see some UFOs, man.
That would be cool.
All right, let's go Cowboys. No can beer. Don't grab the wrong bottle, Gene. So the idea here is once the MICI hit the grill, the aliens are gonna hit the sky. They want some MICI, no? They traveled all this way. They want to have the best food on God's green earth, which, as we know, is MICI. Look at those guys lined up like little soldiers. Ready.
so the MICI operation has successfully been completed. We hope so.
We hope so, yeah.
We'll have to just taste and see if we did a good job or not. But they look good.
They look good. Shiny, juicy, bouncy.
Yes.
Beach.
We wish we can have some alien friends coming over, but
Yeah. Not so lucky.
we've seen them, but I think they changed. They were not enough for them, so
Yeah,
I think
yeah,
they
yeah,
turned around.
All right, so dinner is served. We got some mici and we got some mustard din takuchi. Takuchi is in Serbia.
No. He's just playing music.
Romanian mustard.
Yeah.
So listen, we've also been drinking some mulled wine because Christmas time.
Yeah, very nice.
I will say I'm
Ooh.
feeling a little bit mulled myself. 2 glasses.
Very nice.
I actually saw an alien. Yeah,
Oh,
bald
boy.
head with little squinty eyes.
Too much
Then I
mulled
realized
wine
I was
for
looking
you.
in the mirror.
Look at this.
Okay, let's eat.
With the-
Permission to eat
Yes.
meat with fingers?
Yes.
Finger food.
Goodness.
Wow, thank you.
I try to be respectful, but forks are for fancy
By the
people.
way, biggest chicken drumstick I've ever seen.
Look like turkey leg, no?
Looks like turkey leg. How's
Still
it?
the best.
Porta bene?
Still the best. Forte bene.
Good.
Delicious. Juicy and good. And this one, some kartoffel. Thank you very much.
Yummy. Thank you.
Kartoffel or kartoff?
Kartoffel.
Pražit.
Kartoff, legit. Got it. Baby's first meat, Ivana. Don't be shy. No, you're too young, baby girl.
Maybe next year in Romania.
We should give her first meat from Obor. Only right. That would be the right way to do it. Good meat.
Very good.
Forte bene.
Very good.
I think Jean will like meat because her fingers are shaped like meat. She loves to eat her fingers. All right, so Romanian pickles make this 6-star meal into 7-star, and the fact that I get the last meat, 8 stars. By the way, did you put vodka in the mulled wine? Because it is strong mulled wine. Wow, I'm a big fan.
Oh.
Ready to go, Gene? So, unfortunately, no aliens last night. Total heartbreaker. But I gotta say, Adrian and Bianca, so nice. They said their door is always open. We can stay as long as we like. And so I'm inclined to just stay. I'm like, this place is great. But the nature of our life, Ivana, we gotta hit the road. So now we're going to New York City.
Woohoo!
Which, if you can believe it, it's my first time in New York City. Born and raised like 5 hours away, never stepped foot in New York City in my life. And the good news is we got friends over there. So from one group of friends to another group of friends, we met them in Romania. We met our other friends in Malaysia. In terms of having friends, I'd recommend it because it's pretty great. So here we go, Gene. Whoop.
Let's go.
New York City.